Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So we are officially at week 3 since I got my starter locks. So let's get into the update. Okay, so like I said, it is week 3. And here's how my locks are looking. Okay, so I really wanted to talk about this. If I pull this, you can literally see the frizz that is standing up. So we're at week 3 and the frizz is saying hello. The frizz is saying I'm here. I'm not yet at the point where you can't really see my parts. Because when I do my little thing, you can still see my parts. And each time that I go through my hair like this, like sometimes I'll have some pieces of hair that are just going to fall out, which is normal. That happens. It's a thing. But the frizz is very, very significant compared to the past 2 weeks, obviously. So I have definitely noticed that, and I really tried to not bother it. I said that I was going to wash my hair, but I'll just wait until week 4 and just wash it because I don't want to just ignite extra frizz. And then also I will say, as I'm touching some of the twists, I'm not gonna say it's budding because that's is way too early for all of that. But there's some of them where it's like I can kind of feel like the twist is not, like, for example, this one, like right here, the twist is not really twisting. Like I can kind of feel it, starting to lose that shape that it has. And I'm like, oh, okay, like I feel like this time I'm seeing things that I wasn't really paying that much attention to the first time around. But this time I'm like, okay, wait a minute. I see what this is and I know what's coming. So I'm kind of like on the lookout even more, I feel like. So that's what I'm noticing. And like I said, I really have been trying to maintain oiling and putting my water or my leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to be doing that again today on camera. But I have been doing that every day or every other day because I really just want this set to be as healthy as possible. And actually for this video, for the last 2 videos, I did oil and I did my leave-in conditioner. But today I'm going to do oil and water because I haven't really done water on camera. I'm going to do the water and show us how that looks. So as we know, I'm going to go in with my Africa's Best Herbal Oil. This is what I use all the time, always and forever. All right, so once I finish with my roots and my scalp, I like to put it around the body of my locks just to make sure everything is moisturized. Okay, so I finished with the oil. Now I'm going to go in with my water. This is just water. There's nothing else. It's just water, no oil, no nothing, just water. And this spray bottle, I got it from, I think, Sally's. So, yeah. So I pretty much finished with the water, and as you can see, it did give me some extra length. And I will say with the water, I kind of go a little bit more because it's just water. Like it's not gonna give me any type of crazy buildup or anything. So I try to get everything from root to tip. Make sure everything is saturated because with the color and everything, and then it is locked up. I'm not gonna take no chance. But you could also see, I got like a little bit of length from spraying the water, so I like that. And also I will say, maybe it's because I've really been trying to keep up with my moisture routine, but my shrinkage is really not that much. Like I thought it was, because I remember when I did it, my first go around, I had a lot of shrinkage. But I'm like, wait a minute, it's about to be a month, and everything pretty much still is the same, except the bag be doing what it does, but everything else, like, I'm really surprised that it's still here, because I remember, my first time, my hair was like right here, and I was like, oh my God, like it really shrunk up. And I know naturally it's going to shrink up and then come back down, but I thought it would have shrunk up a little bit more by now, but hey, take your time. But that is pretty much it for this 3 week update. I'm noticing the frizz. The frizz is coming. We're going to welcome the frizz because we know it's a part of the process. We don't back away from frizz because frizz is going to come and we're going to welcome that. So I'm just seeing more frizz, not that much shrinkage. And like I said, I'd have that one lock. I'm sure if I go through every single one, I might notice something. But this one lock, like, yeah, you could see it here. Like, you could see the twist here, and then right here, it kind of like, wait a minute, what is this? So that's the only lock for now that I'm noticing any type of premature about to bud, but I don't know what I'm doing right now. So that's all I'm noticing with that one. And that is pretty much it for this update. We're at week 3. We're almost at 1 month. And yeah. So like I always say at the end of all of these updates, it's your hair, it's your journey. Be patient. Don't compare it to anybody else. Do whatever works for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.